I'm probably most grateful for helping 1,000 people share their stories.
My 13-inch scar is the sexiest thing about me.
And 100 million people hearing those stories.
Real depression isn't being sad when something in your life goes wrong. Real depression is being sad when everything in your life is going right. That's real depression, and that's what I suffer from.
We work with incredible people. Storytellers, messengers, doctors, accountants, people in addiction recovery, mental health, single moms, single dads.
When you watch this motivational stuff, you get a dopamine hit. You feel good. You feel better, just good enough where you don't actually do what you just learned.
People that have survived things that others won't even talk about.
And while I outwardly did my best to keep it together in public, inside, I was devastated.
And they all have one thing in common. They have a story.
You know, there's those moments where you're speaking and then you realize that you're speaking and you feel that. So yeah, I felt...
All of our clients at one point have to decide what's bigger, their fear or their purpose.
I stepped into a new version of me today.
When their stories are heard by 10,000 or 100,000 or a million or 10 million people, there's this feeling they get. It was all for a reason. Everything they went through, ups, the downs, the challenges, the adversity, it happened so that they could help other people go through it.
I came across one drawer, I opened it up. There were actually 2 sticky notes in. This is a picture of one of them. And it said, "Tell my story." And that's when I realized I had to do something different.